Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The power is complemented by the capability for a performance character befitting of this luxury leader. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: twin-turbo V6 engine, Airmatic height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, command AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, memory steering wheel settings, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.